Hello again, welcome to my channel. I am going to talk about adjective class with examples today. When we think of an adjective, we usually think about a single word used before a noun to modify its meaning. For example, a tall boy, a fat cat, a talkative assistant. However, an adjective can also come in the form of an adjective class. An adjective class usually comes after the noun it modifies and is made up of several words, which, like all classes, will include a subject and a verb. Now compare the following examples to differentiate between an adjective phrase and an adjective class. Example 1. The knife with the wooden handle is yours. In this example, the group of words in brackets with the wooden handle is describing the noun knife. It therefore functions as an adjective. It is an adjective phrase. Now consider this example. The knife which has a wooden handle is yours. In this example, the group of words in brackets which has a wooden handle is again describing the noun knife. Since the group of words in brackets which has a wooden handle in this example has a subject which and a verb has of its own, it therefore is an adjective class. It is an adjective because it describes a noun, and it's a class because it has a subject and a verb. Thus, an adjective class is a multi-word adjective that includes a subject and a verb. An adjective class, also called a relative class, will have the following three traits. Trait 1. It will start with a relative pronoun who, whom, whose, that, or which, or a relative adverb when, where, or why. This links it to the noun it is modifying. Trait 2. It will have a subject and a verb. These are what make it a class. Trait 3. It will tell us something about the noun. That is why it is a kind of adjective. Now consider the following examples. The letter brought money which was badly needed. In this example, the class which was badly needed tells us something about the noun money. Which was badly needed is therefore an adjective class. Example 2. The dog that bites does not bark. In this example, the class that bites tells us something about the noun dog. That bites is therefore an adjective class. Example 3. He told a story that sounded untrue. In this example, the class that sounded untrue tells us something about the noun story. That sounded untrue is therefore an adjective class. Example 4. Here is the book you want. In this example, the class you want tells us something about the noun book. The relative pronoun is omitted here. You want is therefore an adjective class. Example 5. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. In this example, the class who live in glass houses tells us something about the noun people. Who live in glass houses is therefore an adjective class. Example 6. He died in the village where he was born. In this example, the class where he was born tells us something about the noun village. Where he was born is therefore an adjective class.